Hi, this is immigration attorney Emel. Today I'll be talking about waivers. Now, which aliens are covered by waivers? If you entered the United States illegally, or if you came here as a crewman or a fiancé visa and you did not get married, that means that you're not allowed to get a green card unless you get something called a waiver. The second thing you need to know is, what do I need to prove? You must be able to prove that you have either a spouse, a child, or a parent that is a U.S. citizen or holds a green card. The third thing you need to know is, what do I need to show? You need to be able to show that it would be an extraordinary hardship on your family, not necessarily you, but your family, if you were made to leave. Other issues that they look at is the health issues of your family members, the financial impact your departure will have, education considerations like your children being at school right now and they don't want to reboot to another place, quality of life to what country you would be sent to, the effect that it would have on your other family members like your sisters and brothers, and if you have other family members here. Whether or not you're an asset to the community, in other words, have you done volunteer work? Are you a good person? Do you bring something to the United States? And they will also look at the country conditions of where you're from. And if the country conditions where you're from are not very good, that will help your waiver application. The fifth thing you need to know are the fees. There's a $670 fee for immigration, and attorneys usually charge about somewhere between $2,500 to $5,000. Now, it takes 6 months to possibly a year to be able to get an answer, and if you're approved, you can go straight for the green card. Now, that means that you have to leave the country, go to the consulate where you're from. It could be just a weekend, get your stamp, and then come right back. Your return to the United States is pretty much guaranteed, so you don't have to worry about getting stuck in your country. Once you get the approval, it's basically you going to the consulate and proving that you don't have a criminal history and anything else that would adversely affect your application, but you're pretty safe to come back. And finally, I would suggest that you definitely use a lawyer for this application. It is very difficult to win waivers. The evidentiary requirements are very high, and attorneys are experts in this area. So I recommend that you go to a lawyer. And I hope this video has helped.